Hello guys, so we have a conversation Tammy and I about, because naka-receive ako ng yung sa life insurance ko.
Harvest itong ating gulay. Ang daming bunga guys, o tignan nyo. Oh.
Good morning, Philippines!
Naka-receive ako. So we were talking about our kids, you know, not human kids, the pets that we have, the 4 animals. So Tammy and I, we discussed, or we're just talking, like, God forbid, there's something happen to us. Can we write, kung pwede ba?
Kung pwede pa? I can't write kung pwede pa. I can't even spell kung pwede pa.
Can we write the beneficiary of our life insurance to the animals? Tammy said, wealthy people do that. The people that have really money.
Some people, not.
Now, some people, wealthy, some people.
Because
not
they
all.
don't like their families, so they just leave it up to their animals.
Yeah, some wealthy people, like, you know, not communicated with the families and things, and they have pets and everything. So Tammy said, somebody do that though. Like, the beneficiary of the life insurance is the animals.
Well, not life insurance, it's just their personal wealth.
Personal wealth. But how about life insurance?
I have no idea.
So I asked Tammy, what, God forbid, you know, who knows, oh my God, hindi natin alam, diba, mag-knock on wood na lang tayo. What happen if, for example, we're traveling and we don't know what's gonna happen and we bought tiguk. So, who's gonna...
Tiguk. We both tiguk. I'm not sure exactly what tiguking is, but it's probably not good.
So, who's gonna take care of our kids? And who's gonna take the money for the 2 life insurance? Is the family can take it? Like, of course, my family forget about it because Tammy's family won't give my family anything.
Not true. If you lay it out, they will. But you have to lay it out that way.
But my worries, guys, is my kids. Like, these kids.
You're done, kids. No more. It's freaking roast beef. You can't just eat.
So that's what
I'm feeding roast beef to the puppies and the kittens.
Oh my God, yes, roast beef, guys. Expensive. He's giving it to the...
Roast beef, roast beef.
Yeah, it's really expensive, but I don't know, they like it though.
Yeah, they love it.
Han, enough with the roast beef with the animals, please. The kidney and even you. And
No, roast beef is one of the best things because it's not salted.
oh, it's not?
No.
Oh, really? And guys, so okay na, ito na yung pinag-usapan natin. So nakatanggap ako sa ano ko, malaki-laki pala yung life insurance ko. So ngayon, the same thing with Tammy, meron siyang 2, meron akong 1. So sabi ko kay Tammy, I asked Tammy, I can't even bring my pets to the Philippines that my sister can take care of them because they will be dead because of the heat, and maybe they get away because the house is not gated. And
Hey guys, I tell my wife have roast beef and she says, no, it's too pink.
it's
Too
very
pink. This is what roast beef looks like. No, it's too pink. So she won't eat it. It's really good and she won't eat it. She's a little not that way. And she should try it at least.
no, it's pink.
Hey.
I don't like it.
See what it is? She don't like it. But in the meantime, she's actually had pink steak. So, you know, you're right. It tastes better. But
Nope.
I don't like it because it's pink.
So
So I don't like the color. So don't ask her to walk in a cancer, a breast cancer awareness, because she can't do that.
Han, it's not about
That's
the
not pink.
it's not about the color. It's about it's a blood, Han. It's still bloody.
It's not bloody. Is it dripping? No.
So
Roxy can't have no fruit.
no fruit for
And
them.
Marianne doesn't eat fruit. She won't eat the green ones.
What is the green one?
Cantaloupe.
I don't like that.
She says that, but she won't try one.
So that's our dilemma of the day. So
I don't know. The orange one's cantaloupe. The green one is
knock on wood talaga, guys. Sabi ko kay Tami, I'm worried about the dogs, the cat. Habs is very loving. And Tammy's sisters, the other one have problem a lot. He has his own dog. And the other one doesn't like much about dog. So, I'm thinking about, I don't have nobody. So, Maybe a shelter, honey. You think shelter will take them?
Why would you want them to go to a shelter?
So I have to write down something, guys, that if I die, and time is not around, listen to me. What I'm gonna do is, whoever taking care of my dog, 80% is the money is yours, and the house is yours, but the life insurance 80% is yours, but the 20% is spread it to my family. Right, Han?
You better leave instructions on how to get in touch with your family.
Because, guys, hindi ko din makalimutan.
I'll post something on the internet, and you'll have 10,000 people saying they're your family. It's true. You laugh, but it's true. You know it's true. Oh, God. She's still staring because she still wants more.
Kailangan ko talaga siyang ano, guys. Kailangan ko talaga siyang pag-isipan. And kasi hindi natin alam yung buhay natin ba. Kung
Buhay, a sucker in your eye.
guys, this is no camera or without camera or with camera. That's Tommy always singing what can pop up in his head.
There's not much popping up in my head.
Sometimes he dances, guys. Suddenly I just look at him, he's dancing. You think he's so behave and he's so quiet and very Tommy, he dance, he sing.
You sing terrible.
Yes, and you can sing, Han.
Yeah, can you?
No, it's not.
I make goofy songs.
I don't know why you always think that you have a bad
I
voice.
just change songs into really goofy stuff.
Tommy love doing that. Like, the lyrics, suddenly he has his own lyrics, guys. It's so funny. So, yun lang siya, guys. Gusto ko lang siyang, pinag-isipan ko siya, guys, kung anong dapat gawin, kung mawala ako, and then, you know, kung anong mangyari sa amin ni Tommy. Hindi natin alam. And yun, kailangan talagang maisulat. You know. Nagtitiwala siya sa bunso niyang kapatid. Yun yung pinagkatiwalaan niya. Yun niya. Kapag mawala kami dalawa, yun yung pinagkatiwalaan niya. And then, so sabi ko, talaga bang so, kailangan ko ding, isipin ko din yung pamilya ko sa Pinas. Kasi malaki-laki din yung
Malaki-laki day?
Malaki-laki din yung makukuha talaga. Kapag may mangyari sa akin. So, kaya yun. Kailangan ko isipin yung family ko doon, yung mga kapatid ko, may mga anak, 'di ba? You know, kahit maldita ako, pero isipin ko din sila, kasi wala akong anak eh. So yun, yung alaga ko lang dito, and then kung sino yung mag-alaga, may papakain sila, and then yun. And yung bahay, hindi na pwede mabigay sa, look at the bird like to be in that rolling bamboo you have, Han. Hindi man pwede maibigay. Pwede man maibigay, pero kailangan ibigay sa kapatid kung sinong titira, and then alagaan yung alaga namin. Pero yung mga pira-pira namin, ibigay ko sa family ko. Yun yung isipin ko. Pero kailangan kong isulat. Pero nagtiwala naman kasi ito din sa kapatid niya. So, I think sulat is enough. Yun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo, guys, kung anong naisip namin, anong pinag-usapan namin.
Hello, mga ang dami Kunin na natin ito kasi sobrang ginaw na. Hala, sayang naman ito May mga bulaklak, may mga bulaklak. So, sayang talaga. Ang ginaw na. Pero ito, i-harvest ko na to siya, guys, kasi sayang. Masisira lang kasi ito. Look, masira lang ito siya. Hello po sa inyo lahat dyan. Kumusta? Harvest tayo. Kasi kailangan nating i-harvest itong ating gulay. Ang daming bunga, guys. Tignan nyo. Marami pa. Tingnan natin, ha. Andito pa, Doy, ginoo ko. Hala. Ang dami. Kuha tayo ng lagayan. And I still have a lot of green long pepper, I harvest because it will get bad. It will, too cold. all go bad. Come on. Ang ganda ng palibot. Hey, ang daming kamatis, oh. Ang daming ano, bunga. Ay, nako talaga. Marami pa siya, guys. So, kailangan lang natin siyang kunin. Kumusta? Akala ko last harvest na, pero marami pa pala. Kahit maliit, guys, maano to. Harvest na natin. O, diba? Harvestin na not harvestin. Wala nang bunga. Wala na ba? Sa baba? Wala na siya, pero ang dami pa, oh. Look, oh. Ay, nako. Ang dami. Ito naman siya, ang ating kunting bell pepper. Kunin na din natin siya para hindi masira. Look, kahit maliit siya, guys, hindi na yan lalaki. Dito, meron ba dito? Tapos ang daming bunga, eh. Oh, nasisira lang siya, guys, ha. Look, mamatay na yan. Look, wala na. May kamatis tayo dito. Kunin na din natin. Look. Yun. Meron tayong luto. Magamit natin pag breakfast ba. Yung mga itlog-itlog na yan. Sayang kasi, guys. So, kaya yun. Harvest. Ang dami. Sayang talaga to, guys. Oh, kasi marami siyang bunga. Sus, talagang late na talaga siya. All the time talaga late siya. Paginaw na siya. Anyway. So, tignan natin yung eggplant natin doon. Meron tayong eggplant dito. So, tignan natin. Ito din, oh. Late na siya, oh. Late na. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo na tawag nito. Sinisidling ko. Hindi na yan makaya, guys. Kasi late na ako nagsidling. And then, you know. Iyan yung lettuce. So, yun. Punta tayo dito sa ating talungan. Ang ganda ng mga dahon, no? Dahon, no? Loko. Tignan natin kung may bunga. Nag-start siyang magbunga, guys. Ang daming bunga ang bulaklak, oh. Naku, ang daming bulaklak, oh. Bulaklak. Ang dami, oh. Tignan nyo. Diba? Lit na talaga siya. Ay, nasira naman. Ay, hindi ko na-harvest, oh. Hindi ko nakita sa ilalim. Doon, oh. Ay, pag-ibig. Yan. And then, may mga bunga din itong ating raspberry. Look. Mga raspberry. May bunga. Look, oh. May mga bunga din sila, oh. Doon dyan, oh. Ang ganda ng mga paligid, oh. Ang ginaw na, guys. Tara, Rox. Look. Uwak, oh. Wala, uwak pa more.